Buenos dias. Feliz domingo. So I finished the live. Ooh, it took a little while there. So I was having so much fun. But I'm having a mimosa on my own. It's Sunday. Thank you, Sister Norma, because I don't usually drink orange juice. But today I was just the creative juices were flowing because, I had a party on Friday. So I'm like, what do I have in my kitchen? What can I come up with? And I had 2 salmon steaks, and I was like, I'm going to have to do something around the salmon. So from what I cooked today, I'm having a sample, like a mini bowl. I have hummus, okra, roasted squash, beets, avocado. And on the bottom, I have a little bit of, not quinoa, but couscous. Oh, and broccoli. So, hummus, aguacate, okra. The okra I cooked in the oven, not on the stove. So I came up with 2 dishes. I made a poke bowl. In the poke, I have edamame, broccoli, roasted squash, and in the middle, I have couscous, beets, aguacate, and then the salmon. And then I decorated with 2 slices of radishes. And the next plate, which is, I've been doing a lot of layering lately. And on this plate, I started with hummus, that's just with olive oil. And then I put some roasted squash around. Then I have beets. I have broccoli. And this part is anchored with some, I had 1 plantain left from the party. So I used it and then put the steak. Listen. And then I made a vinaigrette, a Dijon vinaigrette, because you don't want anything to be dry when you're eating it. So if I put those 2 dishes next to each other, then we can drizzle with some of our dressing, so nobody chokes on their food. So that's what I've been doing this morning. And I was saying that because of the heat, I don't feel led to go out there to enjoy an event, and I'm feeling the rivers between my legs and all that. It feels just too hot, too warm. So I'm staying in. There is a football game, a soccer game this afternoon. I'm going to enjoy that. Then I'm going to have to clean up. Cooking is fun. The cleanup, not so much. I don't mind it. Hummus. I had some chickpeas in the freezer for a little while there. It was like, it's time to use them. So hummus is a natural thing to do. And hummus is so versatile. You can stick anything in it. And it makes whatever you're eating softer, right? With all that lemon juice. Know what you're putting in your body, right? So good. And I love squash. I could have done a mash with it, but since I have hummus, I was like, too much. You only need 2 mashes. And cook the salmon in a mixture of olive oil, a little butter, and then you threw a couple of twigs of rosemary, and then you keep basting it with that flavored oil. Listen. I mean, for me as a cook, it's about building flavor, right? All right. Have a good day. Enjoy yourself. I am I rested yesterday. I didn't do a whole lot, but I really should get to the gym today because Friday I had rice, I had chicken, I had cake. Oh my God. It was so good. Sister Sandra, she made an upside down cake that was divine. I haven't had that in years. But I had some Friday. But see, if you have something once in a while, it's okay. Don't deprive yourself too much because then you don't want to binge on the thing. And I will never make an upside down cake for me in the house because I know I'll sit here and just eat it in one day. But I have it once in a blue moon. It's quite all right. Now they just opened a bagel store in Costco. I have to go check it out. I'm from New York. So if they say New York style bagel and I go, I'm like, no, it's not. So I don't want to show myself, but when you advertise something as the original, it better be the original. But they have all kinds and they put all kind of stuff in it. So I'm gonna go try. It's a little pricey, $10 to $14 for a bagel, but they put stuff in it. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go. And I'm gonna let you know. Woo. I am so happy. Now after this, I feel like a green tea, to kind of cleanse. But we're having mimosa. And I look at these two pretty plates, I'm like, I don't want to cut into them. I want to eat them. They're too pretty. This one looks amazing, but that's a lot of food. So they charge you $30 for this. It's worth it, right? With the salmon. They charge you a lot for salmon anyway. And the poke bowl, look at the depth of this thing. The poke bowl you buy at the store or in the restaurant are not that deep, okay? So I don't cheat you in your food. But beets I love. Roasted. Today I boiled them because I didn't have time. I forgot to put them in the oven, which is my favorite way of eating beets. But look at my pretty dishes. All right, Norma, it's your fault. Are we gonna have another one? Shh. Bye.